Which of the following commands has replaced apt-get? The apt and then option, the apt-get option is a Linux-based command. It's not Windows, so you're only going to find it in Linux environments. But which command has replaced the apt-get? We're talking about a command, right? We're not talking about some kind of different type of Linux, some kind of variation. Red Hat is a different variation. Debian is also a Linux OS, so we're left with two possible options. That's going to be get and apt. Which command has replaced apt-get? Well, we still want to know that we are going to get something, but we want to know that we're dealing with apt, which is more important. Well, it's the apt that comes first. That's kind of the predecessor of the get. So if you're just going to get something like we've done in previous video, we looked at apt-get upgrade, apt-get remove, apt-get update, apt-get installed. All common is apt-get. So just make sure it's an apt, and you're just going to assume you're going to get something, right? So it's just going to be apt. That's it. We got rid of the get, and that's just simplifying things. Apt-get still works, but apt is simpler, right? If you just use get will not work. So just make sure you use apt or apt-get. Both are the same thing. Apt has just replaced apt-get.